Hi, I'm Liv Montgomery, the e-commerce gal. In this program, we're going to be talking about web traffic made easy, how to increase website traffic for your internet business. Internet, business, profit. To successfully merge these words into a single concept that has meaning for your business, you'll need to add another word: traffic. Internet business profit needs traffic. It seems that every tip you find about making your site or company successful in the game of online business promotion always emphasizes the importance of generating traffic. The bottom line is that traffic is one of the two most essential ingredients for a successful internet business. Traffic and conversion together create the total package. So in order to have a successful internet business, you need to generate traffic to your site and convert that traffic from visitors into customers. If you already have a site and you're not getting the revenue you want, there are a couple of things to look at to change your results. One consideration is whether you're promoting a product or service that people actually want. The other consideration is the techniques you're using to attract attention to your business's core offering. It's crucial to be clear about the need in the marketplace for what you have to offer and the level of that need. Once you're confident about this factor and you have data to back up your marketing assumptions, you can apply the tips and techniques that we're covering here. In this program, we'll be touching on your product offering and taking a close look at your traffic. First, I want to tell you a true story. This is something that actually happened just recently, and it illustrates the traffic concept perfectly. I went for a walk in my neighborhood the other day, just a little routine exercise, and the weather was fine. The sun was shining, it was a warm day, and I was actually wishing I'd taken a drink of water before I left home. I almost turned around, but I figured, I could tough it out for 20 or 30 minutes. I walked up the hill, turned the corner onto a side street, and went down the block. Set back from the street, in the middle of somebody's front yard, was a table with a small handwritten cardboard sign on it. Lemonade. Well, you could barely see it from the street, and you had to be walking through the neighborhood in order to catch it at all. Someone who was on their way somewhere, driving in a car, would have missed it entirely. And there was a 5-year-old boy sitting at the table, shouting at the top of his lungs, "Lemonade! Get your ice-cold lemonade here!" He had his arms wrapped around a 2-gallon glass jug, lemonade, coveting it proudly.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?